Hey, what's up everyone? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install iOS 26 liquid style lock screen on your any Galaxy device. So let's begin. Okay guys, first disable your system lock screen. Simply disable your system lock screen like this. Now download this app on your Galaxy device. This app download link available on description. Simply download and install and open. Tap on next. Now tap on get started. Set some permissions. Now look at this guys, many preset lock screen on this app with all categories. Or if you want to apply wallpaper from gallery, then tap on photos. Look at this, I select wallpaper from gallery and simply tap on clock. And guys, now look at this new option, glass. If you tap on glass, now look at this glass effect apply on my clock. And you also set transparency like this or change colors and font. And guys, you also expand clock like iOS 26. Look at this. Simply tap on add. Tap on customize home screen. You also blur, unblur wallpaper from home screen. Simply tap on done. And after done, set some accessibility permissions. Now guys, simply tap on set as current and iOS 26 liquid style lock screen apply on your Galaxy device. Look at this. Notifications also in liquid glass style. And guys, look at this iOS 26 style liquid glass control center also on this lock screen. Look at this, completely in liquid glass, 99% similar like iOS 26. Shortcuts. Look at these guys, complete liquid glass effect on this lock screen like completely iOS 26. Look at these shortcuts, behind shortcuts, complete in liquid glass. Okay, let me show you another lock screen. Simply tap on plus button, go to photos, expand like iOS 26, tap on glass, tap on add or use change font like this. Tap on add button, tap on done. And remember, tap on current wallpaper. And look at this guys. This is completely look like iOS 26. Guys, you also set passcode of lock screen like iOS 26. Look at this. Complete iOS style settings on this lock screen. You also install this iOS 26 liquid style lock screen on your any Galaxy device. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.